Welcome to 9205 Hamilton Drive in the coveted Mantua Hills subdivision. This 4-level split has over 3,300 square feet and is on almost half an acre. Join me as we tour. Over $130,000 in updates that these owners have done to this beautiful split level. I want you to notice this gorgeous stone fireplace. The fact that the sunlight just streams in this living room. This is phenomenal. Off the living room is the heart of the home, this gourmet chef's kitchen that includes stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a backsplash. There's also a wine rack, and this is a wonderful pantry with the pull-out drawers. This is my favorite room in the whole house. This is the sunroom. We have cathedral ceilings, 2 skylights, all of the windows that your heart could desire. I want you to notice how much space is in this room. It's over 325 square feet. The owners thought of everything for their primary suite with recessed lighting, a brand new fan, fresh paint. We've got hardwood floors. Now, the barn door leads into the newly renovated ensuite bathroom. You have this expansive walk-in closet. You have dual sinks, plenty of storage space, and you have a frameless shower. The upper level has an additional 2 bedrooms, a hall bath that's been renovated with a double sink and tile flooring. The large rec room will allow you to host plenty of game nights, parties, anything you can think of down here is so spacious. This lower level has a bedroom, it has a den/office, and a wonderfully sized laundry room. Thank you for joining us today. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour of this home.